Good morning. I'm out for my usual morning walk and I just thought of let's talk about something that really frustrates a lot of people. That is, why is that even when you diet hard and exercise regularly, the weight won't still go down? That's super frustrating, right? I'm Avi Merca, your weight loss coach, and today I'm going to explain why the scale isn't the only way to measure progress. See, this is my normal routine. Sometimes your body is building muscle while losing fat, so the number on the scale doesn't change. Other times, water retention, hormones, or stress can temporarily hide fat loss. It's your body doing its thing. It's not about failing. That's why it's better to focus on long-term habits. Check how your clothes fit, your energy levels, or your strength during workouts. Those real changes happening in your body. Wait, it's slippery here. Maulan at madulas. So next time the scale feels stuck, focus on how you feel, not just the numbers. Track energy, strength, and clothing fit. Celebrate progress in non-scalable ways. If this help you see progress differently, follow me or subscribe to my YouTube channel, Inner Carrot, and comment below. How do you measure your own progress beyond the scale? Let's support each other. Bye for now.